Oh, hey. What's that? You want to take over Honduras? No. Come here real quick. Oh, you want to make hummus? That we can do. To make hummus, you're going to need a few things. You're going to need chickpeas, garbanzo beans, canned or dried. If you use dried, you're going to have to soak them overnight and then cook them. You'll need tahini, which is sesame seed paste, garlic, lemon, olive oil, seasonings, and one of these. Or you can make one 9-ounce serving of Mother Earth Products Instant Hummus Mix. And all that requires is a half a cup of mix, 3/4 of a cup of hot water, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Whisk until well incorporated. Now it may seem a little thin, but once we put it in the fridge, it's going to thicken up real nice. And to finish up presentation, we'll make a swirl to hold some more olive oil and top with a favorite of mine, smoked paprika. And just like that, delicious hummus to enjoy anytime.